Exciting news for you. The opportunity card is coming, which will make it easier for you to come to Germany and start working here. Hi, my name is Tammo from Find a Job in Germany. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with my colleague Raoul. Hi, how are you, Raoul?
Good, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also good.
Hi, everyone.
The Opportunity Card is part of the new Skilled Immigration Act, and it is starting on June 1st. So, Raoul, what is the Opportunity Card good for?
The Opportunity Card is actually another way to come to Germany and look out for a job here in Germany. And this Opportunity Card allows you to stay here up to 1 year. And the big difference is to the job seeker visa as well, that you are allowed to work part-time. That means 20 hours, up to 20 hours doing your job hunt while you are here in Germany.
Okay, so you just get that card, you come to Germany, you start looking for a job here, you can do a trial period of 20 hours. And
trial, or you can also work as a waiter while
you can do any job not related to your profession.
Both.
Okay, look for something which is suitable and then get a full-time employment, which transfer that to a fully work permit in Germany. Awesome. And how do I get this Opportunity Card?
So you have to apply for it at the embassy, German embassy in your home country, and then the Opportunity Card is based on a point system. You need to get 6 points out of several criteria. I think we're going to talk about that. And once you have these 6 points, then you can apply for the Opportunity Card.
Awesome. And what are the categories? How does that point system work in detail?
It's based on the Opportunity Card, maybe to add, just to have it complete. If you are from outside of Europe, but have studied here and got a German degree, then you can also apply for it. Then the Opportunity Card point system is not as relevant for you. But if you are, and that is most of our audience here or community, you are, for example, software developer, you are in India, Pakistan, or wherever, you can apply for that Opportunity Card. Getting back to your question, the criteria I have to look it up here as well, is the equivalence of qualification. So you get points on that side. You get also points for your professional experience. So if you are a software developer, you definitely get points on that side. Also the language skills, either German skills you get points, or also your English skills level, you get additional points on it. And here, be careful, you need to get it approved by the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Right. Also, just lastly, there's other criteria. If you have worked or stayed here in Germany for at least 6 months in the past, your age, everything up to 40, you get points for it as well. So best if you are below 35, then you get 2 points. And also if your partner is eligible for an Opportunity Card, then you get also a point. So you see, it's quite complex, but it's not as difficult as it may sound.
So in the end, it matters what you've studied, what field you're working in, right? And then there are obviously so-called shortage occupations,
which you are at as a IT expert for sure.
Okay, so in the end, this Opportunity Card, the German government is using that to bring skilled labor into the country from people who work in the profession where Germany needs them, like IT is one of them.
Correct, and it makes it the access to the German employment or the labor market easier once you're here.
Cool. I suggest to make this a little bit more concrete, we do a little test to show you how you can find out if you are eligible for that Opportunity Card. Let's go ahead. All right, we're going to do a little self-check about if you're eligible for the Opportunity Card, and we're going to link the link to this test in the notes so that you can do it yourself. We just go through that, and then you also understand how the point system works in detail. So we start with the nationality. Let's suggest you're from India. Then we go ahead.
The self-check starts. As I said, it's about several criteria you need to fulfill to get some points, and the first one is on your qualification. That took at least 2 years to complete, and you can, like most of you guys, have a university degree who want to come, and we continue with selecting it. Then the next question is it recognized? Yes or no? And here I would say, of course, if it's recognized, it's cool, but I would say we select, I don't know.
Yeah, most of your university degrees are recognized. You can check that on a homepage called Anabin. You go there and check your university and your university degree. You take the printouts, and then you can be sure you get points for that as well.
Exactly. Then, which of the following language skills do you have? Yeah? So, language is another criteria, and here I would say we go for at level B2. Yeah?
Only English, no German.
No German, and B2, it's a level that you should have at least.
Yeah, it starts with A1, that's the lowest. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2 is native.
Then about your German language skills, which you are, I guess, unable to provide. You should not worry about that.
So 0 points for that.
And then, are you currently able to demonstrate a profound knowledge of English? Yeah, you see that if you are above C1 or at level C1, then you get 1 point. Should we select that?
We should B1, B2.
Okay, so unable to provide, but if to make it clear, if you can prove that you have it, you will benefit.
And most of you guys will have that since you studied in English.
Exactly. Yeah. Just make sure that you get approved your English skills as well. Then the age is another criteria, and since also most of our viewers and followers are within 20 and 35, we just select that age group. Yeah. You see that if you are part of a different group, you get less points. Yeah? Do you have a work experience related to your professional career? Yes, of course, that should be.
Of course.
Yes. And then how many years of experience do you have in this profession? I would say we go for 5 years here because everything else, yes, it's technically possible, but to get the foot into the market, you should have some years of experience as well. Yeah? You see you're already reaching now 5 points. And then is your formal qualification in a bottleneck profession? Yes. What is it? Maybe you share some.
Yeah, bottleneck profession is defined by the German government. Those are all areas where we have a lack of skilled workers. That is tech and IT. That is elderly care. That is the whole health industry, medical, like doctors and so on.
Right.
So yeah.
So you as a software developer, tech and IT for sure. Yeah? And then you just go next. And then here we go. Congratulations. Yeah?
You have reached the minimum score. So your minimum score is 6 points that you require to qualify for an opportunity card. And now you can take the following next steps to apply for that card. You can also follow that guideline here to apply for that. So you see, to reach that score, the point limit is relatively easy. You would probably have even more than 6 points. That test is just for you. Like, also do that test for your specific case and see if you're eligible. If you are eligible, you can apply for that starting from June 1st at the German Embassy. One thing which I want to highlight here, an opportunity card is of course not a silver bullet, right? So only take this card, watch one of our previous videos or the previous videos we did about the job seeker visa as well. Don't think just getting an opportunity card and coming here to Germany will guarantee you a job. No, that is not the case. Do your research before you come here, right? Understand if your specific tech stack is in demand in Germany. Then update your CV towards the German standards. Understand how you need to apply and how you can find the right companies for you. And then understand how the interview process is done in Germany. Those things are absolutely key to succeed on an opportunity card. And then I guess if you do that homework as well, the opportunity card is a great tool to get the foot into the German tech and IT market.
Nothing to add, yeah. I think it's very important to strategize your job hunt, and that's why we are also here for you.
Yeah. If you need help on that, get in touch with us. Watch our video training, which you find below that video. Book a get to know call with us. We're going to assess your profile. We're going to guide you what are the best steps for your specific profile to get a job in Germany. If we think you have good chances, we're going to help you on doing that. And then it usually takes 2 to 3 months for you to get a job offer and come here. Many thanks for watching. We're going to do more videos about the whole Skilled Immigration Act in Germany because there's a lot of change going on, which makes it easier for you to land a job here. Thank you for watching today again. See you soon. Auf Wiedersehen and bye-bye. Ciao, Raoul.
Take care. Bye.